today, this came in the mail and I ordered something from Right Stuff. It was during their Labor Day sale. And I ordered 3 Blu-rays and see what did I got. So I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. It's weird, I only have 2 Blu-rays. Okay, first Blu-ray I have is Shining Hearts. 12 episodes on 2 Blu-ray disc. Here's the spine and the back. Special features. And this has an English dub. And here are the Blu-ray disc in this Ego case. This Blu-ray I got was Fantasista doll, complete collection. A Japanese subtitles only release. Here are special features. And this does has 12 episodes. Here's a disc, just one disc, 12 episodes on one disc. It also came with a free anime hot from High Dive, like I got from last time. So I ordered 2 Blu-rays, but they only shipped me with 2 Blu-rays instead of 3. So here are the Blu-rays that I ordered. This is the 3rd Blu-ray I also ordered, Watamote. It's on hold, and I believe it's because it went out of print or something, or I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen to it, if I'll ever get my money back, or it's gonna wait until it gets shipped. Don't know. So for now, just all I have is 2 anime on Blu-rays, and kind of sucks that I was really looking forward to watch it on Blu-ray, but sadly it didn't arrive yet. Anyways, I'll see you in my next video, so bye.